Hello, my name is Michael Yeager. I'm with CEU Pro Courses, a part of Contemporary Teaching. I've been doing home study courses since 1989, and I've been a therapist in the recovery business since 1973. And I've put together a variety of treatment programs in Texas and in Colorado, and relapse is certainly a issue that I've worked with in every program that I've ever put on, or in my private practice. And that's what this little short blurb is about. It's about relapse prevention. One of the courses I have available at CEU Pro Courses. So the ideas come from Terry Gorski, kind of the father of relapse prevention in the recovery business. He's been doing it a long time. And I've taken his ideas and added my own and put together a course that I've done in therapy, in hospital-based programs and outpatient programs that seem to get pretty good results for the people that are looking to recover, that have some idea that they would like to recover, that have moved from contemplation to pre-contemplation in their recovery mindset. So this course looks at the signs and symptoms that people seem to do prior to using, and by them being aware of that and teaching them that, showing them that their own behaviors, they have a much better chance of remaining clean and sober, or whatever behavioral change they're looking to make after they leave the treatment experience. So it's arming people with facts about themselves that helps them to maintain the lifestyle that they say they want. And that's a winning situation for all concerned. So I've also found it's very interesting, the statistic that I've noticed in my life here, that 100% of the people recover 100% of the time from whatever it is they do if they follow the guidelines of a particular treatment program they've engaged in and identify with. And that can be 12-step, that can be smart recovery, that can be going to church, it can be a lot of things. It's just basically something based in principles to help keep them honest with themselves so they don't allow those other thoughts get in their way of tricking them into thinking that they can handle it when they can't, when all past experience proves that they can't. But people that are aware will do that have a real honest desire to maintain a behavioral change, whatever that behavioral change happens to be. So the course is on relapse prevention, and it's at CEUProcourses.com. I'm Michael Yeager. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.